Hello everybody, welcome to Shogi Ramen TV. いらっしゃいませ。Let's enjoy Shogi with me. Today, I want to introduce my app again for newcomers in this channel. Before detailed explanation, I want to say first why I am creating this app. There are two reasons. One is I love the Kifu of the professional players, and I have seen more than 20 or 30 years of the professional Kifus by hand and with the real board, but there are no knowledge in the only in my brain, but it's difficult to share my knowledge to everyone. And the second reason is I have been a software engineer, so sometimes I want to create something software, even if there are similar many software already. So it's just from a software engineer. Okay, then let's start see this app, and this one was the first version of this app, 1.1 version. So in this version, there are many Japanese, so I didn't translate to English yet. But there are already many information. The basic function is creating Kifu. So this is my first point. So for example, Sota Fujii versus Shogi Ramen, and moving the pieces like this, and save the GIF. So it's very simple, but the most basic function of this app. And this checkbox is for the draw game. So I haven't implemented this draw, but there are some cases in the professional players. It's very few, but it happened. So I need to implement this function. So if you want to save as a draw game, you need to check this checkbox. After inputting the key foods, this app calculating the many information by automatically. So for example, the player's data. So it's Sota Fuji's data. There are his results. So total number of the games and the win game and losing game. And also you can see the many professional players data. And also there is information about the strategies. So how many strategies are played and which strategy is popular now. And also you can search the Kifu by the strategies, and you can watch the Kifu of the strategies. And also there are information about castles. So which castle is popular in the professional players, you can see. So for example, Mino is the most popular, and Sitting King is the second popular. And also you can search a Kifu by the castle, like this kind of the game. So you can search the Gangi game like this. And also you can see the player's data for his favorite strategies and castles. For example, Sota Fuji's case, his favorite strategy is the bishop exchange and double wing attack. And also you can see his favorite castles, well-balanced castle, Nakazumai, and Sitting King was his favorite castle. And also you can search Sota Fuji and bishop exchange like this. So this is same as the castles case. You can search by the name and castles. And the other function is about Tesuji. So it's not automatically, but I have input it for listeners. For example, there is most important pawn test striking pawn. You can search by the Kifu and look the situation. So this is striking pawn example. And dangling pawn. This pawn is called dangling pawn. So that there are many tesujis. And you can see the example from this apple. Drawing the silver here is also very important tesuji of silver. Not check by silver is a good way. Okay, then let's go to the buttons. So there is many buttons. Initialize button is if you want to load the Kifu data again. So for example, there is all data and 2022, 2023 years data. So you can choose the data and load by the initialize button. And about strategy button, if we want to define the new strategies, for example, like this, if we want to define this one, so the bishop, and you can push this button and initialize. So after that, if you move the same move like this sote bishop will be automatically detected. And if you save this Kifu, and sote bishop game is happening in this list, and you can see the Kifu like this. And Tesuji and castle button is also same. For example, if you define the castle name like this, if you want to define this one, Muteki castle, and there is a button for the sente and gote. So if the checkbox is checked by the sente and push this button, this sente's castle has been defined. So after that, if you move the same way for sente, like this, Muteki castle is here, so automatically detected. And you can save the Kifu. And now Muteki castle is here, and you can search the Kifu like this. And there is new button of the Kifu. This is one of the interesting button. So for example, so if we want to search the Kifu from this position, you can push this button, and there are Kifus for the same moves like this. So you can push this button and search another Kifu like this. This is one of the useful button, and this box shows the which moves has been played in the professional games. So for example, in the initial position, this pawn, 2-6 pawn is the most popular pawn, and second is the pushing of the bishop line. And in this position, pushing the rook pawn and pushing the bishop pawn. And there is one game of moving the gold. So this is one of the interesting information. Okay, and then another new functions in this menu. So there is a menu for the new function, and the color function is not so important, but sometimes it's fun. And capture is if you want to take this bold pair capture, it's very useful, this capture menu. And capture data is in the image folder. So, and the name is capture board. Like this. And the other menu function is this one. If we want to move the all pieces in the on hand, so it's very useful. And this checkbox, if the checkbox is in Gote, you can move the all pieces in the Gote side, and you can create the special cases. And there is a double click function for return the reverse the piece. And the other function is using the engine I have shown in the short video. So this is of course useful, as you know, but this function is still under testing. There is some bugs. And the other function for the explanation is creating the arrows like this and creating the point. This one is also very useful for the explanation of my thought. Thank you for watching this video. I have implemented many functions, but still I haven't implemented about the getting Kifu from the another apps, for example from the Shogi Boards or 81 Dojo. So it would be nice to get the Kifu to this app. Okay, see you next ramen. Bye bye.